Ever checked your bank balance and still felt unsure whether you'll be okay next week? WebCashFlow gives you a clear, day-by-day view of what your money is likely to do, so surprises don't catch you off guard. WebCashFlow is built for real life. Wages, pensions, benefits, and all those regular bills like council tax, utilities, subscriptions, and direct debits, without you needing spreadsheet skills or knowing financial jargon. Setup is simple. You add your scheduled transactions, things that happen regularly, like salary or pension coming in and bills going out. Once they're in place, WebCashFlow uses them to build an accurate forecast you can rely on. Think of it as your money on autopilot, organised once and then reused securely for forecasting. Now the magic part. Open Cashflow Forecast, enter your current balance, and instantly you'll see your running balance day by day, up to 365 days ahead, although 90 would be more normal. So instead of guessing, you can spot pinch points early, like a big bill week, and make a small adjustment before it becomes a problem. This isn't about complex budgeting, it's about confidence. Knowing what's coming in, seeing your future balance clearly, and feeling in control, without living in spreadsheets. It's designed to be simple and stress-free. No jargon, just a reliable picture of what's ahead. And when you want to take it further, you can export a nicely formatted Excel workbook, handy for printing, sharing, or perhaps deeper analysis. If you want a clearer view of your financial future, try WebCashFlow. There's a free 7-day trial and you can upgrade anytime. Head to www.webcashflow.co.uk and take control of your cash flow in minutes.